Hey guys, welcome to GoMila, the premier email marketing platform that helps you connect with your audience and grow your business seamlessly. With GoMila, you can create targeted campaigns, automate your emails, and track your results for increased conversions. Today, I'll be walking you through the process of adding your contacts to your GoMila account, enabling you to leverage our powerful tools effectively. Let's begin by understanding the importance of properly prepared contact data. The first step in a successful contact import is proper data preparation. This ensures a smooth import process and maximizes the utility of your contact information within GoMila. To prepare your data, open a new spreadsheet in Excel or Google Sheets. Create columns for essential information such as first name, last name, email, gender. Then you can include any additional custom fields relevant to your marketing strategy. Populate these columns with your contact data, ensuring accuracy and consistency. Next, convert your file to CSV format and save to your device. It is worth noting that GoMila automatically handles duplicate contacts, so there is no need to remove them from your spreadsheets manually. Before importing your contacts, it is crucial to ensure that your spreadsheet headers align correctly with GoMila's contact fields. This process is called field mapping. To do this, on the contact import page, download the template provided. Then, update the necessary fields with your subscribers' data. You can also include extra fields that contain other information about your subscribers. If you prefer to maintain your unique headers, GoMila allows for custom field mapping. This feature is particularly useful for organizations with specific name conventions or those who collect unique data points. To set up custom field mapping on GoMila, on your account, go to Settings. In the File Configuration section, click the plus button to add a new custom header. Type in your organization's header's name, and from the drop-down menu, select the corresponding GoMila field. Click Save and apply your changes. For example, if your spreadsheet uses stakeholders instead of first name, you would type stakeholders in the custom field header. Select first name from the GoMila field drop-down, then click Save. Repeat this process for each unique header in your spreadsheet. This ensures that when you import your contacts, each piece of data will be correctly assigned to the appropriate field in GoMila. Now that your data is prepared and your fields are properly mapped, let's proceed with the import process. To import your contacts, navigate to the Contact section in your GoMila account. Click on the Import option. Select your desired audience or list. Upload your preferred spreadsheet. Then click Import to start the process. GoMila will then process your file, automatically merging any duplicates to maintain a clean, healthy, and organized contact list. While bulk import is efficient for large lists, you may sometimes need to add contacts manually. To add a contact manually, go to the Contact section in your GoMila account. Click the plus contact button. Enter the contact information. Remember, only the email address is required. Select the appropriate audiences for this contact. Click Save to add the contact. This method is typically useful when you need to add just a few contacts or when you receive new contact information between bulk imports. To recap, we've covered the essential steps for importing your contacts to GoMila, preparing your data, setting up field mapping, performing the import, and manually adding your contact. By following these steps, you will ensure that your contact list is well organized and ready for your email marketing campaign. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. You can also find more information on our blog, link in description. Thank you and see you in the next video.